Education is arguably one of the most important pillars in our society today. Education is a human right that should provide equal opportunity to every person on this planet. But the truth of the matter is that non-dominant communities face opportunity gaps in our education systems that carry over into the workforce. These disparities are especially prevalent in the sciences. Girls and students of color have been underrepresented in STEM fields for too long. And it's not because they lack the ability to achieve in science. Students from all backgrounds can and should learn complex sciences, but inequalities and lack of funding tend to impact science engagement. The Biodiversity Project is all about challenging the traditional forms of education that have marginalized students from non-dominant communities for centuries by teaching in an engaging and culturally relevant manner that gives students from all walks of life the opportunity to achieve in STEM fields. As an intern, I participated in a variety of different activities that all sought to develop my skills as an educator. We worked with Saguaro National Park, the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum, and other members of the Tucson community to build our knowledge base and to get more comfortable talking about the amazing place that we live in. We mainly focused on culturally responsive instruction as a method that empowers students intellectually, socially, and emotionally by making traditional curriculum more relevant and relatable. We learn to develop connections with our students and to create activities that use games and stories that aim to get students more engaged and excited. I got to implement these practices with 4th graders and 5th graders at Rio Vista Elementary School, and it has been one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. I am very passionate about the sciences and protecting the environment, and being able to share that passion with young students who are eager to learn is incredible. People tend to assume that science is only for a certain type of person, and we made it a point to stress that anyone can be a scientist by asking questions and looking for answers. We integrated diverse examples of scientists into our lessons in an effort to challenge stereotypical representations of scientists and to expand how the students view scientists. It was amazing to see how the students became more interested in science and more interested in the biodiversity that is right in their own backyard as the weeks progressed. At times, it was challenging to keep all the students engaged, especially when we were introducing new concepts that were harder to understand. But we were able to overcome those moments with the help of Stephanie Delgado, who teaches 4th and 5th grade at Rio Vista. It was an honor to work alongside an amazing educator like her. This internship experience has helped me grow as a student and as a person. I have always valued education, and it means even more to me now because I have seen firsthand how it can impact students' lives. It is so important that we use education to foster diversity in the sciences, because diversity produces better science and better innovation. Equity in education needs to be a top priority so that we can break down the barriers that are holding us back, and that is where the Biodiversity Project steps in. This work is supported by the Agnes Nelms Howry Program in Environment and Social Justice.